In this video I will show you how to edit Moody Fall preset using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. You can easily download this preset from the link in the description by using password that appears in the upper right corner as a card. So let's start editing. First go to Light. -0.20 for exposure. Contrast to -50. Highlights bring to -30. Shadows to +20. White to -30. And black to -60. Go to curve and follows the steps. And done. Next go to color. Temperature to +10. -10 for vibrance. And saturation to -10. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Hue to +15. Saturation to -25. And luminance to +20. Next go to orange. Hue to -10. Saturation to +10. And luminance to +30. Next go to yellow. Saturation to -40. And luminance to +20. Next go to green. Hue to +50. Saturation to -50. And luminance to -60. Next go to aqua. Hue to +30. Saturation to -25. And luminance to -15. Next go to blue. Hue to -40. Saturation to -25. And luminance to -20. And done. Next go to effects. Clarity to +20. And daze to +20. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy setting. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like.